Okay, I know. Okay, so I was trying to do this question along with the daily question, but then the recording just stopped. And so the timer is still going on. I was trying to do the question. I'll just reset it and just reset the question again. Okay, so we have the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. We have to return the length of the longest consecutive sequence, and we need to write an algorithm that runs in O of n times. So this is an unsorted array, nums. We have to return the length of longest consecutive sequence. And that means that the number needs to be consecutive to each other. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the consecutive sequence here, and the length of it is 4, right? Even this, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The whole array is in the has the consecutive sequence numbers, and it has the output as 9. So let's try to do this. I was trying to see if union find would work in this. Union find or grouping the elements together would kind of work in this. So I was doing the first example. We have 100, right? 100, the dictionary does not have 99 or 101 in this. So I'll just store 100 as 100. Okay. 4. Now 4, for 4 to become a consecutive sequence, it has to have 5 or 3 in the dictionary, which we don't have. So we'll also add 4 with value as 4. Okay. 200. Now 200, for 200 to have a sequence, we need 199 or 201. We don't have both of them. So we'll just do 200 as 200. Okay. Oops. Yeah. So 1 also does not have any sequence. Just do 1 as 1. 3 now has 4 in it. We will add 3 as 3. Now we have 4, right? So we'll just access this and we'll do this. Okay. And then 2, for 2 we have 1 and 3 as well. So I'm confused now. Mm, I don't think grouping is happening here properly. Right. In like the ideal scenario, I would like to have this 1 as 4 as well. And then this 2 would have 4. So we have 4 fours, right? So it will return output as 4. That's what I tried to think of, but then this would not work. I feel like. Mm, hmm. There was this another approach that I used before. Can I combine both of this? But then that approach is like optimized altogether anyways. Okay. So we'll use a set here. So why we are using set is because we are trying to access elements from this nums. So set would give us O of 1 lookup time, which will help in our time complexity to get the O of n time complexity. So we'll initialize a set, right? And set would have all of these numbers: 100, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Okay. And we'll go through the nums. So we'll go through the loop. So we took 100 first. Okay. We'll check in the set if you have. Okay. How do we do this now? Mm. Okay, we will first check in the set if we have any number in the sequence which is bigger than this. So for 100, we have 101, right? But then in the set, we don't have any 100 or 101. So we'll just continue with the next number. So we'll select 4. So 4 greater than 4, we don't have any number, right? So we don't have 5 in this set. So then we'll check if we have any numbers lower than it. So we don't have any number higher than 4, right? That means uh, the 4 is the highest number in its sequence. You get it? So suppose if it had 5 in it, so the 5 would have been the highest number in the sequence. So we would have started with 5, but we don't have any 5, right? So we'll start with 4. And then 4, we'll check if we have any numbers lower than 4. So we have 3 in the set, right? So we'll go to 3. We'll keep a counter, right? For 4, we'll have 1 as the counter. For 3, we'll increase the counter to 2. Then when we reach to 3, we'll check if we have 2 in the array. We have 2 in the array, right? So we'll increase the counter. Then we'll check if we have 1 in the array. We have 1 in the array. We'll increase the counter to 4. And then we'll store it in a variable as 4. Okay. We can do this. I'll do it like this. But then do I also keep a visited set so that I won't repeat the numbers again and again? That would optimize it now. Because for 4, I have done all this 3, 2, 1. But then also for 3, I'll check if we have any number bigger than 3, right? So then we'll again come to 4 and then we'll again do this counting thing. So this will increase repeated. It will repeat again and again, I feel like. So, okay. We'll create a set for nums. We'll create a visited set. Okay. We'll go through nums. Mm, We'll do this now. So first, I have to check if there are any numbers greater than it. I need a while loop, I guess. So let's add this 2. We'll have a current sum variable set to 1 in the beginning, right? While I minus 1 in set 1 and I minus 1 not in visited, right? Okay, let me make this also. Going up I, going up minus 1 and going up minus 1 not invisible, right? So if both of these are true, and it's not visited before, so we'll add this plus 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 equals 1 and then going up will decrease by 1. Okay. And now for going down, Hmm. I'm going to change the I though. So I'll also do going down as I. Oh, also I'll have to uh, okay. I'll also have to check that it is visited now, right? Okay, let me do I minus one only, right? Going up in set one and going up not in visited. Plus some plus equals one. I'll add it in the visited going up, right? Perfect. And going down will be I plus one. I have already added to the curve sum, right? It's one. So yeah, while going down, set one and going down, not invisible, for some plus equals one, visited dot add down, and then going down plus equals one. Also, I have to check if I'm not going down. But then yeah, it won't count. Okay. Yeah, that would be it. And then the race would have max of race and person. And then if it's in visited, it won't go inside the visited thing, right? And return race. So wrong. For every case, it's returning one. Okay. What's getting wrong now? It's not going in the while loop, I guess. Raise and class one. While going up in set one, this is set one, right? I minus one is set one. Bring up not in visited. Oh, so if I'm in four, okay, five would not come anyways. Now, no, going up should be plus equals one. No? But I mean, it does not matter actually. Both of it is doing the same thing. Mm, okay, I try to print visited and going up. So print visited going up, going down, one. This will be two. Okay, let me take out this. So all the ones are in the beginning term. Why does the visitor have the moon set now? It didn't I also really? Oh, oh, no. Yeah, I was right only. I just initialized visited wrong here. We coming down to print statements again. God, they're playing so much loud music. Independence Day, they say. Yep. Then with the question, yeah, in 10 minutes because I've already solved this. A medium question, a solved medium question in 10 minutes. And then the unsolved easy question in 14 minutes. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.